So dear friends, in my earlier video, the link is given in description. I have talked about 45 degree. This was 45 degree. This was the radius which was moving. This is the radius 10 centimeter, and it is moving from 0, then 10, 20, 50, 45 degree. Suppose it has moved 60 degree. So what will happen then? And 30 degree, it can move both. So similar, I can make the same figure here also, but for your simplicity I have taken another figure for your simplicity only. So this is 0 degree and your radius has moved 60 degree from here. This 60, this is 60 degree, and again you will get a right angle triangle of radius 10 centimeter. Hypotenuse is fixed here. This all right angle triangle, hypotenuse is fixed. Yes, this is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, but you will get a right angle triangle. Yes, then in your copy you will draw it. Then with the help of set square, draw a perpendicular bisector from here. This. So you have got a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. This is 10 centimeter and this is angle 60 degree. You have got again a right angle triangle. If this is 10 centimeter, this is 60 degree, you will measure it. You will measure in your copy how much this is, how much this is. According to the theory, it should be what I have told you in my another video. For this type of triangle, this is 60 degree and this is 90 degree. The 30 degree, just opposite to the 30 degree, the smallest one, just opposite to the 90 degree, the greatest one, 2, and the middle one is root 3. This is 30 degree. So this will follow here. If this is 10, means 2 is equal to 10, means you have multiplied to the 5 times. This is the unit right angle triangle for the definition of trigonometry. So the ratio, so hypotenuse, and let me talk about only 60 degree here. So base and perpendicular. Hypotenuse is 2, base is 1, and perpendicular is root 3. If you have multiplied hypotenuse 2 by 5 times, multiplied by 5, so this is 10 multiplied by 5 here, 5, and this will be 5 root 3 everywhere. You have, means this is the because this is the ideal unit right angle triangle. So if this is 10, so base is 60 degree is made up of with this is base just opposite to the 30. So this will be 5. This will be 5, and this is 5 root 3. This 5 root 3. 5 root 3 means 5 root 3 is 1.7321 like that. So when you will measure, it will be approximate. This is the symbol of approximate. 5 multiply 5 to the 10, 1, 5 to the 15, 1, 16, dash, 5 7 ja 35, and 36, 6, 3, 5 1 ja 5, and 3 8. 8.666 like that. Just measure it. If this is 10 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 8.666, 8.66 dash dash, it is or not in your copy of 10 centimeter. Because a root 3 and root 2 is not shown on the scale, na? 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So that's why this is 8.66. This is the highest 10. This is the half of that one. I have shown in this 60-degree right angle triangle in my video number. The link is subscription and description. It is given. This at that time I have told you sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to what? Sin 60, sir. This is for 60. This is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse and this is base. So sin 60 is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin 60, yes, root 3 by 2. So here what has happened? Sin 60 perpendicular by hypotenuse 5 root 3 means you have multiplied by 5 root 3 upside and 5 into 2 yani ki 10. This is 5 root 3 upon 10. Cos 60 is equal to cos 60 base by hypotenuse 1 upon root 1 upon 2. See here 5 upon 10 means everything. This is the unit right angle triangle and this is the 5 times of that one. This is the 5 times because hypotenuse was 2 and I have taken hypotenuse as 10. So this is the bigger triangle. Bigger times similar triangles and times just I have shown earlier in my classes. These are, yes, this was 10 centimeter. I have shown this is 10 centimeter. This is the 2 times of all sides. This is 10 centimeter and this is 20 centimeter. This is 10. At that time this was 20. When it is 20, it is 40. Ratio 1 ratio 2. So you can measure on the graph or you can cut this type of 20. Okay. So all the triangles are similar, this like this, but it is of times. How much times? Just like this is 5 times of our unit right angle triangle. For the definition what we have used. Okay, you will check it. Only one things I would like to share in the same video. This was 60 degree, this was 45. What about this if the 30 degree is there? So I will use it for my 30 degree because 30 degree and 60 degree are very related. Again, actually it is the third question. Third attempt, you will draw another third triangle. Just I have drawn here, and this is our 0 degree line, and the rotating radius is have rotated 30 degree. This is 30 degree. So we will get a right angle triangle of 30 degree. This one. This is the whole circle. Yes. This is 30 degree. And you can make a right angle triangle here. Hypotenuse is fixed 10 centimeter. this is actually 30 degree. This is 10 centimeter radius, same radius, but this is now 30 degree, and you have got a right angle triangle. If this is 10, the same question, this was 30 degree, so in front of 30 was 5, in front of 60 5 root 3, you will get same figure here. In front of 30 it is 5 here, na? The same 5 has come here now. This 5, this is 30, this is 5. This 5 has come at this place, and just in front of 60, opposite to the 60, 5 root 3, it is now 5 root 3, because now it is 60 degree. This is 60 degree, and it will be 5 root 3, means you will measure, that will be 8.66 approximately. You can see here, it's not a new thing, the same figure, when the triangle was in this way, this was 60 degree, and what I have changed, this was 60 degree. What I have changed? No, I have changed in this way, this is now 30 degree, the same triangle. Hypotenuse is fixed again, means this is 30 degree and it is 60 degree. The triangle is same. So you will measure and you will check, and at this time you can see this. I have told you sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 also. Yes, okay, just let me write here. For the 30 degree, this is the hypotenuse is fixed. This will be, for 30 degree, this will be perpendicular and this will be base. So sin 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. Let me write Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bol. So sin perpendicular by hypotenuse, 5 upon 10 equals to 1 upon 2. Cos 30 is equal to base by hypotenuse. This is base, 5 root 3 upon 2. 5 root 3 upon 10 means root 3 upon 2. And you can see here, because the triangles is same, only the orientation of triangle has been changed. Sin 60 and cos 30, the two values are same. Cos 60 and sin 30, two values are same. Why it is same? Because when it is 30 degree, this blue, it is blue. 30 degree, this was perpendicular. But when you have taken 60 degree angle, the same perpendicular has become base. This base, which was earlier, means this type and then this type, the same thing. In a same figure, when we draw it, it appears to be like this. It's a rough figure. Yes, suppose it is 30 degree. So for the 30 degree, this is right angle triangle. For this 30 degree, this is perpendicular, just opposite to that, 90 degree, and this will be base. Hypotenuse is fixed. But for this 60 degree, for 60 degree, this will be perpendicular just in front of that, and this will be base. So that is why, sin 60, sin 30, That's are equal because perpendicular and base, hypotenuse is fixed. In another class I will teach you. So I have taken all the triangles in the form of a circle. This will be helpful when we will derive the trigonometrical ratios value for the 0 degree and 90 degree in my this next video.